Hello, bread can be used in daily meals, especially in the morning. To make bread more special and delicious, please watch this video. I will guide you how to make delicious egg and vegetable sandwiches. First, I will prepare the ingredients, which are vegetables, tubers, and fruits that have been cleaned and washed. To make the dish fragrant, I use chopped shallots, adding just enough amount to the dish. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. Onions have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, are good for the heart, aid in weight loss, help lower blood pressure and blood sugar, and prevent cancer. Bell peppers are not only a special spice for dishes, but also have many health benefits, including boosting the immune system, good for the heart, beautifying the skin, aiding digestion, and helping with weight loss. I will chop the bell peppers and onions to make it easier to prepare the dish. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I also use chopped green onions to add a special flavor to the dish. In addition to being a standalone dish, sausages can also be combined with other ingredients to create a delicious dish. Therefore, I will use minced sausages with onions, bell peppers, and other spices to make the dish more delicious when eaten with fried bread. In addition to being rich in nutrients, sausages also contain B vitamins. Vitamins B1, B3, and B12. Sausages support blood cell formation and increase energy supply, stimulating taste buds. To add a special flavor to the bread, today I also used 1 chicken egg and spices such as MSG, salt, butter, oyster sauce, ground pepper, and ground chili. After mixing all the ingredients and spices together, we move on to the main step of using bread to sandwich the ingredients together. Today I use sliced bread. I will roll the bread thinly to make it chewy. Then, put the prepared ingredients in, roll the corners together, and just use toothpicks to hold them. and we will do so in any quantity you want. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After rolling, we will start frying in the pan. The induction cooker and pan are turned on. Pour enough oil into the pan and start frying. When frying, you should keep the temperature at a moderate level to avoid burning the cake. When the cake crust turns a beautiful golden color, it means the ingredients inside are cooked. Isn't it great? With familiar pieces of bread, harmoniously combined with healthy ingredients such as tubers and fruits, it has created a dish that is both delicious and nutritious, stimulating the taste buds and increasing appetite. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.